Okay, you guys, so I'm one of those people who doesn't really follow a recipe. I'll sort of look up a couple different recipes on what I want to make, and then I just sort of wing it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this morning I wanted to do a little recipe of a fruit crisp, and I'm sort of winging it as my co-pilot throws Cheerios on the floor. So this is a no prep video. I just woke up, no makeup, haven't washed my face yet, but I am on my third cup of coffee back there. So anyway, I'm gonna show you guys how to make this crisp. We have got some fruit crisp that we're working on here. So this first one is blueberry and peach. Ooh. So I took some blueberries, about 2 pounds of blueberries from the store, and mixed them in with some frozen peaches that we had on hand. And then I did probably a cup and a half of peaches, frozen peaches. And then I left them in the fridge overnight with about a tablespoon of cornstarch and a quarter cup of sugar and half of a lemon squeezed in. And then this morning I was putting them into our baking dishes, and we didn't have enough for both baking dishes that I wanted to do. So I'm doing one that's just blueberry and peach. Ooh, gesundheit. And then I'm doing a second one that has 2 of those small, like I think they're 8-ounce packages of raspberries mixed in. So I'm just gonna put the other half of the lemon juice in the raspberry one. I'm not gonna add any more sugar or cornstarch or anything. So the raspberry one is gonna be pretty tart, and then the other one is gonna be more on the sweet side. And then I have still got to make the topping. So I will show you guys how we do that in a sec. I like making crisps because they don't require a lot of sugar. It's mostly just the fruit flavor. And I usually sweeten the topping with maple syrup, so I don't need a lot, and it's got sort of a richer flavor than just plain white sugar. So anyway, I'm super excited about these. Because I make them with like so little sugar, you can actually eat these either as like a dessert, or you can eat them for breakfast, or you can put them over Greek yogurt, or you can do vanilla ice cream if you want something sweeter. So I like to, especially like right now, mid-July, all the fruit at the store, so all the berries specifically right now are super cheap. So I like to just go in and stock up and then make a couple of these. So here are the crisps. I put the topping on them, and so the topping is we're excited this morning. Okay, so the topping is 3 cups of old-fashioned oats, a stick of butter that's been melted, about, I would say, a quarter to a third of a cup of maple syrup, and then I also did like a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. So now we're gonna pop those in the oven for about 40 minutes, and then we're gonna check on them.
So after about 40 minutes, the crisp should be golden brown on top and bubbling below, and that's how you will know that it is time to pull it from the oven.